Hey everyone, it is ChrissyWoods. Let me zoom out so y'all can get the full effect of this face, this hair, these lips, like all of that. So what's been going on? Like, I feel like I haven't filmed a video in a long time. So I got new hair, got my goddess locks about 2 days ago. They're still real tight, but you know your girl go make them work. So I filmed this look. I wanted to just do something fun and creative and bright. So I hope you guys really like this look. And if you want to see how I created the look, then you need to keep watching. But if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, shame on you. You need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You need to go ahead and hit that like button because you already like the look. At least I hope you do. But go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we welcome you on to the ChrissyWoods family, where we do hair and makeup here all the time. Well, I ain't gonna say hair all the time. I've been kind of slack on my hair, but I'm gonna get better on the hair tutorials. So anywho, I hope you guys are ready to see how I got this look and get into these lashes. These lashes are from my lash line, and they are on sale right now. These are called the 9 to 5 lash. Get into it, okay? Get into it. So go ahead and click that link down below, and you can get your lashes as well. So head on over to the video. Go ahead. Bye. All right, guys, so let's get started. So I got goddess locks like 2 days ago, and these are the individuals, and y'all know they are so stiff. You know, it takes a couple days to like get used to them. So I'm still trying, and then y'all know I'm growing my edges back, and I'm going to still film my hair journey, don't worry. But I'm growing my edges back, so we left my little bit of baby hairs out, my little edges that's trying to grow back. We left those out because we definitely don't want to take away more. But that video is coming along very soon as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in white. So the reason I'm going to use white is because I'm going to work with light colors today. So I want the base to really show the pigmentation. I want to really get that color to come all the way through. Alright, so I zoomed in a little bit closer. So today we're going to be working with my Jaclyn Hill palette, just because, I mean, it has everything. It's just a good palette. So I'm going to go in with a nice transition color, usually like a warm brown type color. Any warm brown will work. And I'm just going to start to apply that in circular motions in the crease. And this is a Bdellium Tools brush, and this is the number 776. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with an even more warm color. I'm taking, well, not really warm, this is more of a brighter orange color. And I'm just going to take that and go right over the crease to really brighten it up. And I'm still in the Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's do a little chit chat. So I wanted to do something kind of fun and bright today, because you ever have those days where you're just not feeling it? I mean, I just wasn't feeling it at all. Like, I just woke up today, didn't have any clients at the shop, and I'm just like, wow, I really don't know what to do when I'm off. Like, when I'm off, I just don't know what to do with myself. Like, I'd much rather be working. You know, when my child's not here, my husband's not here, I'm like, I need to be working. I enjoy working. So, I don't know. It's just one of those crazy things. I really enjoy what I do. I enjoy working. And when I'm not there, when I'm not at work, I don't know what to do other than to clean my house. And even that gets kind of boring, so to speak. So, I decided to film this video in hopes that it would just kind of perk me up and, you know, get the creative juices flowing and, you know, all that good stuff. But it's just so funny because I remember when I was nursing, like, I knew, about 10 years in, I knew, like, I can't do this forever. I enjoyed, you know, the nursing aspect, but it was all of the politics and everything else that came along with it. I started to feel like, you know, we were no longer in an industry where we care for people. We were in an industry where the only thing that mattered is what kind of insurance they had or how could they pay. And it really started to get to me, really. And so, and it didn't matter what job I went to. It didn't matter. Like, eventually it was all the same. So I knew I had to change, and I would literally go to work. I'd wake up that morning and I would have like migraines, or I'd have a stomach ache, or I would have some type of ailment. And I'm starting to realize now it was mainly because I hated my job. And I literally I would dread going to work. I would get to work, I'm always sleepy, I'm always tired, or I have a headache. And as soon as I leave work, like, I felt fine. It's crazy. But now I don't have that issue. Like, I can't wait to get to work. I love what I do. Like, I enjoy going to work. I go to work early. I stay late. You know, I do block off, you know, enough time so I can be home in a reasonable amount of time to be with my family. And, you know, I don't work all day on Saturdays and things like that because I need family time. But when I'm at work, I'm happy. Like, the hours go by fast and I enjoy it. And just today's like this. Today's like, you know, days like today, I'm just like, oh, I really want to be at work. So I just kind of stay busy until the fam comes home. So basically all I did while I was chit-chatting was I went in with the multitasker. This is the Nyx Mixing Medium. And the only thing it does, it just helps my eyeshadows to stick like a shimmery shadow because I have these hooded eyes. And I just went in with like a shimmery pink. It's like an iridescent. It's like a pinky gold. And I took it all over the lid, but I did go up into the crease just a little bit. I'm going to go in with this burgundy color and kind of blend out those harsh edges. And I'm just taking really small circles and kind of buffing around it. And I'm using the very tip of that brush. So anyway, I can't wait to do my hair video with you guys because I know a lot of you have seen that I've been wearing a lot of wigs and protective styles and stuff lately. And I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I recently did the big chop. So I've got to make a video to really give you all the details of that. And I can't wait. So yep, I'm pretty much like, I'm going to say 90% natural because I still have about 10% of those blonde ends on the top of my hair. And I left those on there because I knew I was going to get these goddess locks and I wanted her, you know, to be able to have some length to grip. So, but once I take these out, I'm going to cut that and then I'll be right where I need to be. Not necessarily where I want to be, but where I need to be. So this whole natural thing is very new for me. Like, I had my hair natural before, but I always silked it out. So I never really saw like my hair in its natural state because, I mean, it was always being silked out. This is before I was a stylist. So it was always being silked out. I never even knew what it looked like. I didn't care. So this is new to me to actually, you know, wear a TWA and, you know, try to find products that make it work and, you know, all of this stuff is extremely new. But I'm ready to, you know, embrace it and just start this journey. This has become my favorite pencil. Oh my gosh. I picked this up from Sephora. It's actually the Sephora brand eyeliner. And it is the Crayon Contour 12 Hour Wear. It is the bomb, y'all. It's like a kohl pencil. And it glides on so smooth. And it is so incredibly black. Alright, so I came back. I just put on some lashes. And these are from my lash line. This is the 9 to 5 lash. This is a perfect lash for beginners or people who just want a very simple lash. Y'all, this lash is bomb, right? I know. Y'all better order them. They'll go on sale real soon. Don't say I ain't told you. They're going to be on sale like real soon. Like now. Click the link. You can get you some. And these are mink lashes, so they will last. Trust me. So I'm just going in now with some Fenty Beauty and my beauty blender. Y'all have not used the beauty blender in so long. I've been using that Real Techniques brush to the point where I actually missed my beauty blender. Like, really missed putting on makeup with it. Is that not crazy? Like, totally missed it. Alright, so we got a nice little coverage going on. We're going with my ColourPop concealer. This is number 42. Favorite concealer. It dries down very matte. Love this concealer. And I'm okay with that. Still using my beauty blender to blend out my concealer. Now I'm going to go in with another ColourPop concealer. And this is number 58. And I'm going to use it to contour. So now I'm just going in with two of the ColourPop powders. The first one I'm using is the banana. And I'm just going to set the areas that we highlighted. And you know what? Instead of using that other ColourPop powder, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder because I ain't gave her no love in a minute. And with my Fashion Fair, and this is in the shade Sable. And it's just a pressed powder. And I'm just going to further warm up those areas. So now let's do a little bit of highlighting, my favorite part. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. brush. This is a small tapered brush. And y'all, I'm going to take some Wet n Wild. This is the highlighting powder Mega Glow. And it's in the shade Crown of My Canopy. I like it because it's so pretty. It looks like it sits right into the skin. Like it literally melts right into it. I love it. And it's not chunky. And it's like, what, $2? Instead of using a blush today, I'm going to try a lipstick as a blush. I think that's the better way to do it with the beauty blender. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Can y'all see it? Nice berry color. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I didn't want too much color because I want the eyes to be like the focal point. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to order your 9 to 5 lashes. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already by now, clearly you're going to subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.